Hello. Today I'll explain what enhanced safe browsing is and show you how to enable it. Step 1, enable the developer tab and insert checkboxes. Open your Excel file. Right-click anywhere on the top ribbon. Select Customize the ribbon. In the right pane, check the box next to Developer. Click OK. Go to the Developer tab that now appears on the ribbon. Click Insert, then choose the checkbox control. Click and drag on the spreadsheet to insert the checkbox. Delete the default text inside the checkbox by selecting it and pressing Enter. Step 2, copy, use, and delete checkboxes. To fill your list with checkboxes, select the cell with the existing checkbox. If you can't select it directly, click next to the cell and use arrow keys to move to it. Hover your cursor over the bottom right corner of the selected cell until the fill handle appears. Click and drag to copy the checkbox down the column. To delete checkboxes, hold Control, click each box one by one, then press Delete or Backspace on your keyboard. Now you know how to create a simple checklist in Excel to track tasks and progress. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next helpful video.